This is Savion. Tell who you are.
Savion, and I'm confident I am going down there without falling.
I'm Deshaun, and I'm mostly
You on camera, bro.
I think I might fall. Not sure. Not 100% sure.
Alright. We're gonna see. Follow me when I stop. Oh, this is my mom. Cause last time she said, I'm right here on your left, bro. She said I was going like no miles per hour. Look, Mom, no hands. Whew. This boy's on ski. I'm from the Virgin Islands, just let y'all know. And I can't stop. Not. And my kids are somewhere behind there. Let's see what they're doing. And there goes Sabo to the top. He literally might crash into me, so I'm going to take a step to the side. Oh, he stopped on the dime. Say it. Say it.
Stop it!
And there goes my oldest. Let's see what he do. Stop.
Stop!
Stop.
Wedge!
Shaky, but he's still going. He's still going. Let's jump back in line. Thank y'all.
Good night, everybody.